Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough charge. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings now or swipe down and tap the gear icon. Once in Settings, go directly to Lock Screen to control the clock on the lock screen and check Always on Display for persistent time visibility. You do this because there are separate clock controls in multiple places. Setting them early avoids toggling conflicting options later. You pick the clock style, digital or analog, and customize size and color so it's readable at a glance. Once done, enable the date toggle if you want day and month under the time. This is often a separate option labeled Show Date. Make sure to preview on the sample lock screen or Always on Display, then tap Apply or Save. Doing this ensures the phone shows both time and date consistently across lock and Always on screens. Finish by adding a clock widget to the home screen if you want a larger or different format. Long press the home screen, choose Widgets, then Clock. If the time or date doesn't update or appear, restart the phone and confirm automatic date and time is enabled in General Management so network time syncs. If problems persist, toggle Always on Display off and on again. This refresh often resolves visibility glitches without changing your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.